This Yaskawa cimr-ata0038faa is a spindle drive we received for repair from a machine shop. This particular unit had an intermittent problem that would occur after operating for about 15 minutes. After letting it sit for a while, it would be back in service. This behavior is something we would consider a heat problem. After a full breakdown and rebuild, we were able to run this motor control as shown in the video for an extended period to make certain the heat problem was gone. Additionally, we preserved the settings used by our customer, so upon receiving the motor control back, they have very little to do in way of adjustments. At ERD, we have to change settings to be able to test units using our motors and equipment, but we always return to our customers the original settings to enable our customers to be able to be back and running in the shortest time window.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.